Hello students, myself Chandramohan Singh. In today's video, I would like to tell you about few more topics of MS Access. So now let's start. So students, we have already know about what is table, what is the field in the table, what is the record in a table. This is the record and this is the field. Okay, these are the field: teacher, name, address, all these are the fields, and this is the record. Fine. Now, one more thing I would like to tell you that the first field of each table is the primary key. How we can identify it is primary key? Because it is automatically updated. Means we don't have to insert any information in this field. It will be automatically what? It will automatically increase the value which we have in this field. Like here it is written 1 2 3. Now if you will write any information in this field, it will automatically add one, it will automatically increase the value here. It will, the next value will be 4, right? Like here, if I'll write Rakesh, okay, and once I'll see, the 4 will be written here automatically. So primary key is what? Primary key is a unique field by which record are identified in a table. All the records of all the record of this row is interrelated with this primary key. Because why we use a primary key? Just because of the primary key make a record unique. Fine. If suppose in a class we have four students, and four students in the four students we have two students having a common name. So if we'll write the common name here, it will be difficult for us to find the person with a name, because two person having a common name. So what we will do in this case, we will give a proper or unique roll number to each one of them, by which we can call him. So here primary key make this as a roll number, just like that. This is the roll number of each student, and we can identify each student by a roll number. So here primary key make a field as a unique. Fine. Now next is that, if suppose you have made a table and you want to make another table, so for this what you will do, just click on the create. See, just click on the create, and here we have the option of a table. Click on that and it will make a one more table. Now you have already know that how to insert information inside a table. So again I will show you how to insert information in the table. So for this what you have to do, you will just click on this click to add. Now once you click on the click to add, it will show you the data types. What is the data type here? Data types are nothing. Data types just ask you to which kind of information you are inserting in a field. Data types are types which identify a type of information you are inserting, like information in the form of text. Text means ABCD letters. Fine. Numbers, currency, date and time. So which kind of information you will insert in the field? So here I am going to insert text. Text means name. So now it will ask us which name. Type the name of a field. So here I am going to write name. Okay, name. Name, name. Now next is click on this and see, click on this, and again it will ask us which kind of number, which kind of data type you are inserting. So here I'm going to insert number, because I want to write down the phone number of them. So phone, phone, and number. Fine. Now one more thing I want to tell you, that there is some protocols or rule of a MS Access, that is, you don't insert, you are not allowed to insert any extra space or any extra character. Extra character means you are not allowed to use dot, at the rate, all these, hash, underscore, comma, all these. Like here I am inserted a dot. Na, see, if I click outside, it will suggest us, it will show us was one message. See, this message has been showing that the field name you entered does not follow Microsoft Access object name rule. Okay, now click OK and change it. We can use the space here, but we are, it is not allowed to insert any extra character. Now we have we have made two fields. Now if you want to insert some information in this, you can insert. Like here I'm going to insert. See here, I have inserted some information in the table. Now I would like to tell you that if suppose you want to insert one more field, so here what you will do, like I want to insert a field just before the phone name or just after the name. So what you will do, so here I would like to select the table before which we want to insert. So I want to insert a field just before the phone. So just select the phone field and now right click over there and see the option of a insert field is here. Click on that and see one more field is inserted. Now if you want to change the data type, what you will do, you have to click on here and see the format, the data types is given here. If you want to insert text or any other, like you want to insert text, then click on the text. The text data type will be added here. Okay, now if you want to add a record in the table, what you have to do, just select any one record and now right click and see we have the option of a record. Click on that and it will add one more record at the last. Fine. Now the next is that if suppose you want to delete a field, what you have to do, select a field and right click over there and choose the option of what, delete field last. See, by doing this it will ask you to delete, just click on yes, it will delete a field. Same for the row also, for same for the record. See, we don't have any record, that's why it is asking. But if you want to delete a record, just see the option of a delete record, click on the delete record, it will delete a record. Now this is how we can delete a, we can delete, update. Update means if you want to change it, just what you have to do, just double click on that, it will show you, it will showing the, it will select the information, you can erase it and again you will insert it. So this is how you can update, delete, add the information or the field record of your table. Now we are on the data sheet view. See, we are on the data sheet view. Okay, now if you want to go on the design view, what you have to do, just click on the view and click, choose the option of a this design view will open. It will show us the information related to the table. Now in this, it show us a field name and data type both. It is not allowed you to enter the data here. It just show you the design of your table. Means in the table what we have the field and data type. So it just show you the design of your table. It is not allowing you to enter the data. You can enter the data only in the which data sheet view. Okay, fine. So this is how we can insert data, update data. Now if you want to close your database, what you have to do, just click on the file and see we have the option of a, here we have no option of a close. Just here we have the option of close, click on that, the database will be closed. Now if you want to open your database, just click on the database, any database if you have made already, click on that, it will open the database. Now just click on the table will also open, double click and see the table will open. Fine.